Finding the best affordable rice cooker is hard. Let's discover the winners. Stop wasting money on mushy rice. These units actually deliver professional results. And at number 1, the GreenLife rice cooker brings vibrant, healthy ceramic cooking. The design is compact, featuring a healthy, toxin-free ceramic non-stick interior coating. Simple one-touch buttons make it incredibly easy for anyone to use daily. Watch how the steam vent handles pressure perfectly during the cooking cycle. You get fluffy rice every time without worrying about harmful chemicals leaking. GreenLife makes it so easy. GreenLife, huh? This looks promising. Just need to measure this out, huh? Perfect. It's ready. I've got to tell you, this GreenLife rice cooker is a game changer. Super easy to use, and the rice is always perfect. I highly recommend it. And that's why the GreenLife rice cooker is the best on the market. Rank 2 is the classic AROMA rice cooker, a true budget king. It features a simple glass lid and a durable stainless steel finish. This model includes a steaming tray for vegetables and protein. The automatic keep warm function ensures your meal stays ready for hours. Perfect for making quick one-pot meals after a long day at work. You save significant time by multitasking your main dish and sides simultaneously. Pros include the incredibly low price point and the included steaming basket. You can see here, the lid is starting to chatter, which is a sign it's about done. It really holds the steam well. Best for budget-conscious families who need a reliable, no-frills kitchen workhorse. The AROMA rice cooker remains the most affordable and reliable option available. Number 3 is the Cosori rice cooker, featuring advanced smart fuzzy logic. And you can see right here, the display is intuitive and sleek. The build quality feels premium with a modern LED touch control panel. Setting the timer for brown rice. The interface is really intuitive and sleek. Let's start this up. Watch the precision sensors adjust the temperature for perfectly textured brown rice. Use it for slow cooking, steaming, or even making homemade yogurt. The multifunctionality replaces several kitchen appliances, saving you valuable counter space. Benefits include the precise cooking technology and the very sleek aesthetic. The digital interface might feel slightly intimidating for users preferring buttons. This Cosori appliance is incredibly easy to use and makes perfect meals every time. Just a quick tap here and you're good to go. It's truly impressive. The Cosori rice cooker is the smartest, affordable choice for modern kitchens. It cooks 6 cups of rice quickly while remaining very energy efficient. To see for goodness, what am nobrid and divines? Yeah, you got part of a word yet, Keith. Great for preparing oatmeal, soups, or simple white rice every morning. The main pro is the durable, long-lasting stainless steel construction. I tried cooking the rice as instructed, but look at this. It's completely stuck to the bottom. Right here in these rings, I can't get it off. This Elite Gourmet rice cooker just failed me. Ideal for families who prioritize non-toxic materials over non-stick convenience. The Elite Gourmet rice cooker is a classic, durable kitchen essential. Finally, the AROMA Professional Digital Rice Cooker offers incredible multi-cooker versatility. Experience the difference with the AROMA Professional. Its intuitive digital interface and sturdy ergonomic handle redefine modern kitchen convenience. Welcome back. Today, we're reviewing the AROMA Professional. To begin, simply press the white rice button. Cooking time set. Preparing to steam. Easily handles large batches, making it perfect for hosting dinners. Use the delay timer to have hot rice waiting when you arrive. You get professional grade results without the high price of luxury brands. Pros include the massive capacity and the advanced digital cooking programs. The larger footprint requires more dedicated space on your kitchen counter. Best for large families or anyone who enjoys meal prepping weekly. The AROMA Professional Digital Rice Cooker is the ultimate value powerhouse. Perfect rice every time. From basic pots to digital multi-cookers, these are the best affordable options. Choose the GreenLife for style or the Cosori for ultimate precision. Click the links below to find the best deal for your kitchen.